Welcome to the Creative Take podcast. Hi, my name is Vinayak Mathur and I'm your host. I talk with artists, content creators, influencers, and everyone in between who has a creative background. I hope this podcast helps you give you the motivation boost and some tips and tricks, hacks to make the best out of your creative journey. Enjoy. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the another episode of the Creative Take podcast. I'm so excited to have Aditi with me joining here. I'll let her tell us a little bit about herself and we could then get to know her journey through the course of the podcast. Hi, Aditi.
Hi Vinaya, thank you so much for having me. First of all, a very happy new year to you and everybody out there.
Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, I am an entrepreneur right now, and I mean, I am not there right now. I am just working on it, and it's been almost 2 months that I have started my journey as an entrepreneur, and I have been in a learning phase for around 1.5 year or something. So yeah, I have a business and it's named as the Essence Store.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, it's an online platform where you can buy candles and fragrances for your home. So yeah, that's it. That's what I am doing right now.
Great. So was entrepreneurship your first goal कि मतलब starting से ही सोच लिया था कि बड़े होके यही करना है या it was a phase in life कि मतलब अब सोचना है या ऐसा कुछ?
No, I just realized with passing journey that I want to be an entrepreneur. Firstly, I am a graphic designer by profession.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I have done my graduation in graphic designing only.
Okay, so what made you
By the time,
shift from graphic designing to a completely different path?
okay, so I am from a business background family, so everybody I see around me are like they are bosses of their own, and so that's my mindset as well. But while I was doing graphic designing and working for somebody else, so I had a lot of restrictions कि हाँ भाई अपनी मर्जी नहीं होती है हमेशा,
Right.
and you have to listen to clients and you have to stick to what people say to you. तो वही है, you don't get freedom to do what you actually want to do, and आई मीन थोड़ा वो जो हैप्पीनेस वाला फेज होता है ना काम करने में, वो थोड़ा माइनस हो जाता है एंड इट कट्स आउट इफ यू आर डूइंग समथिंग रादर देन व्हाट यू शुड. तो ऐसा वाला सीन था, इसलिए आई स्विच्ड.
So basically freedom की जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ वो नहीं मिल पा रहा था. Controlled environment था बहुत.
फ्रीडम टू वर्क.
बढ़िया. So okay, तो let's start from the beginning कि मतलब how was your life when you were in the school कि मतलब उस टाइम पे क्या माइंडसेट था कि क्या बनना है बड़े होके?
Okay, so I was very good at art since the beginning. मतलब, and I used to participate in everything basically. Like I was a very good singer and I used to dance and drawing. I was good at artwork as well, so I used to participate in almost all the co-curricular activities. So it was till 10th class, I guess. Then subjects got changed and I was not into studies that much. So I was like, yeah, I was above average kid, but I was not into like, yeah, I love maths or I love science or anything.
So कोई भी
So I was like,
कोई भी फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट नहीं था?
या और ऑब्वियसली क्रिएटिविटी वाला तो आपका वो साइड पार्ट होता है ना लाइफ में, मतलब कि वो कभी उस पर फोकस नहीं करा जाएगा इफ लाइक अ पर्सन इज इनटू ड्राइंग एंड एवरीथिंग. तो बट ऐसा होता है कि यार हाँ यार यू शुड हैव गुड ग्रेड, यू शुड बी गुड एट स्टडीज. ये तो चलो ठीक है, ये तो साइड वाली चीज
Right.
होती है जो आर्ट वर्क और ये सब वाला.
राइट.
तो बस ऐसा था. आई वॉज वेरी मच कंफ्यूज कि हाँ भाई व्हाट टू चूज, विच स्ट्रीम टू चूज. So I was not good at maths at all. So my parents were like, yeah, out of non-medical, medical and commerce is the easiest.
Yeah.
So I chose that. So
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
but तो वही था. I mean, it was very hard for me, but you know, for getting good grades and everything, I became a lot introvert person that I wasn't till 10th class.
Mhm.
So I was very much focused on studies and getting good marks. So but I lost my track. I stopped doing artwork and everything. So bus that's it. That's my school journey. Nothing big.
नहीं, so how did you, मतलब उस point पे, suppose once you graduated, once you completed your 12th, उसके बाद like what was your thinking कि क्या करना चाहिए अब? Like graphic designing or getting into a college for graphic designing
Okay,
was the first thing, या कैसे?
Yeah. So जब मैं 12th में थी, my economics teacher always used to tell my mom in PTMs that she is a very good artist, and I am pretty sure that she'll be doing something in design related as a career.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I was lost and she was there. Like, she was very much sure that I'll be doing something related to design. So I was like, okay. Then my sister, my elder sister, she helped me a lot. She actually, back then it was like, if you are into designing and you're good at artwork, so a girl always had a mindset कि हाँ भाई, I have to do fashion designing. यही मतलब कि होता था कि अगर कुछ डिजाइन वाला चीज है आपके अंदर, तो यू ऑलवेज ऑप्ट फॉर फैशन डिजाइनिंग, बिकॉज वही सुना होता
Right,
था उस
right.
टाइम पे. सो my elder sister was also she is a graduate from NIFT. She did her fashion designing.
Mhm.
तो मतलब वही है कि I saw her, she was like a mentor to me. तो मेरे को भी यही पर्सपेक्टिव था कि हाँ यार, बट आई वॉजंट प्रिपेयर्ड. तो ऑब्वियसली कॉलेज के लिए ये होता है कि मतलब एंट्रेंस वगैरह, बट मैंने आई वॉज लाइक लेट्स डू अ हिट एंड ट्रायल कि अगर हाँ भाई एंट्रेंस हो गई तो वेल एंड गुड, अदरवाइज लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. सो I didn't clear that exam. Obviously, there's a lot of competition, and I wasn't prepared for
Yeah.
that. So it didn't got clear. Luckily, I should say that कि मैं नहीं enter कर पाई उसमें.
Yeah.
So my sister helped me a lot, and she always used to take me to Mac Arena for courses. I mean, we were used to had a talk about that कि हाँ भाई कि ये सब courses हैं, and I narrowed down कि हाँ भाई I have to do something that is related to like design, like digitally. Things were changing back then, so googling around the things and stuff. So I saw that it's very good. It's the market is blooming for design purpose.
Yeah.
So I should opt for something like that. So, and it was very much interesting. I mean, so I went to this Birla Institute of Technology for entrance, and they had a course for animation and multimedia there. I got selected, and I opted for that and graduated from Birla Institute. And in the second year of it, I guess, I chose that yes, I have to become a graphic designer. That this is the platform out of like a lot of things digitally, that I want to choose graphic designing as my career. So
उस टाइम पे तो like we are talking of about 2014, जब से like when you enrolled into college, right?
yeah, 2014 it was.
Yeah, so उस टाइम पे तो like everybody was, there was a wave कि मतलब everybody is getting into graphic design, image processing, इस type के courses में.
Yes, it was blooming.
Yeah.
Graphic design was blooming a lot.
So क्या वो कहीं से like was it a factor for you to choose कि मतलब सब कर रहे हैं types?
Nahi. Actually, my father has a business of printing and packaging. So he always has a need for a designer. तो मुझे तब इतनी नॉलेज नहीं थी इस सब चीज़ों की, बट माई मॉम यूज्ड टू से कि देखो पापा का ये सब काम है, एंड दिस लुक्स रियली गुड, एंड इफ यू लर्न डिजाइनिंग सो इट विल हेल्प हिम एज वेल. तो I was like चलो भाई हाँ अच्छा है this is I was like I am very kind of a person कि हाँ भाई go with the flow type.
बढ़िया. So
So uh, that's how I got into graphic designing and I got confidence for that कि हाँ भाई there was a presentation going on in our class कि what do you want to pursue as a career. So I made a presentation for being a graphic designer and my teacher was very much impressed by my performance that so हाँ भाई इन सब छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से भी confidence मिलता है I'm sure.
right. मेरे को याद है मैं when I was giving an exam for the same university मेरा thought process was कि इनको तो मतलब caricatures और character drawing इन सब की चीज़ों में चाहिए होगा राइट सो मैं एग्जाम के 2 दिन पहले
Yeah, the course was named as animation and multimedia, so it was very much obvious कि हाँ भाई it is something related to animation.
Right. तो मैं उससे 2 दिन पहले देयर वाज दिस बुक ऑन टॉय स्टोरी वो लेके आया एंड बैठ के उसके अंदर सारे कैरेक्टर्स स्केच कर रहा हूँ कि कुछ हो जाए इवेंचुअली कुछ हुआ नहीं उसका कैरिकेचर्स वगैरह बहुत ही खराब बने बट इवेंचुअली पास तो हो गए थे एंट्री मिल गई सो बट या एनीवे coming back तो cool so how was your 4 years of that course मतलब उस टाइम पे यू फिक्स्ड कि मतलब इसी में आगे जाना है या उस टाइम पे भी थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया था कि वांट टू मतलब ये तो ठीक है दिस एज अ स्किल इज ओके बट इवेंचुअली मेरे को
obviously I mean we got to learn a lot of things like filmmaking and sketching and everything like going into media. I mean there were a lot of platforms for us. I mean I know let's leak this out that we are classmates from the same batch. So you also know very well that we had a lot of options to choose and
a lot
I like graphic designing and I chose that.
Nice.
तो मतलब I already knew from second year कि हाँ भाई मुझे इसी चीज़ में pursue करना है. I really like it. I mean I was like कि हाँ भाई ये चिप्स का पैकेट है तो हाँ इसमें ये अच्छा है and इसमें ये बुरा है.
हाँ.
I used to do this and billboards देख कर कि हाँ भाई तो हाँ भाई this color scheme is not good and this should be written in this font तो ये ज़्यादा impactful होगा as compared to the one वो already है जिसमें.
Right. And as a graphic designer मतलब चलो मैं तो ठीक है आई एम नॉट इवन अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर बट वो एक जो 1-2 क्लासेस में भी जितना डिजाइन सेंस सीखा है अब आई लिटरली मतलब किसी का मेन्यू कार्ड भी हो ना मैं पहले ये सोच रहा था ये किसने बनाया है क्यों बनाया है लाइक
एग्जैक्टली
या दैट बट इट डेफिनेटली हेल्प्स कि मतलब किसी भी फील्ड में लाइक इवन इन फिल्म मेकिंग एंड वीडियो प्रोडक्शन द सेम स्किल्स हैव लाइक पॉसिबली उसके बिना भी चल जाता बट इट हैज ऑब्वियसली मेड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस.
Yes, I mean design knowledge is very much required.
Yep.
कि if you are in a creative field, then design knowledge is very much required.
So मतलब ये तो डिज़ाइन में यू ग्रेजुएटेड तो उस पॉइंट के बाद व्हाट वाज योर माइंडसेट कि मतलब जॉब में घुसना है या क्या क्योंकि लाइक आई एम कमिंग बैक टू दिस होल पॉइंट कि हाउ और व्हेन डिड यू गेट दिस कीड़ा फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कि कब मेरे को बिजनेस शुरू करना है ये कैसे आया था. So
okay, first of all, I never had an idea कि हाँ भाई I want to get into entrepreneurship. I never dreamt of being an entrepreneur or a businesswoman you say. तो हमेशा से हाँ यही था कि हाँ भाई now I have done my graphic designing and I am graduated so I was looking for a job. Till then I was doing freelancing. For around 8 months I did my freelance.
As a graphic designer.
Yeah, as a graphic designer. I worked for a startup for around 2 months and it was not working out for me. I mean, the environment was not that good. कि हाँ भाई मैं explore कर पाऊँ नई चीज़ें and to learn a lot. So I used to work from home for like freelance projects I used to get and I was getting better at obviously I was learning what I wanted to learn always so I was getting good at graphic designing so मैंने jobs वगैरह के लिए apply simultaneously करा हुआ था so I got into a very good marketing company. It's a startup, so uh, that changed everything for me. I mean, that was like a turnaround for me, what I actually wanted to do. So, वहाँ पे भी as a graphic designer, I worked for around 2 years, and it was a marketing company obviously. So मैंने बहुत कुछ explore करा and learn करा कि हाँ भाई marketing में जो needs होती है ना, तो मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा learn करने को मिला उससे, and colleagues were very good at that place कि हाँ भाई they were very good कि help करने में या फिर they used to tell me everything they did कि email marketing and how ads work and how websites work and how adding a page to a website can make a huge difference. So
Yeah.
I learned a lot from there. That's why that was the reason कि मैं graphic designing apart from graphic designing, I learned marketing a lot. And my boss was really good, and he was like a mentor to me. He was always there to help. He still is there to help me. Like if we have a talk, so he's like, if you need any help, any guidance, so I'm always there. So it's a very good point that I feel very lucky to have such people in my life. Ki haan bhai, they are there to help me. Yeah, that's it.
नहीं, so वो तो definitely like getting a mentor is definitely one of the things, especially in this field. मतलब ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग या क्रिएटिविटी से रिलेटेड जितने भी फील्ड्स होते हैं, आई थिंक कि उसमें नेटवर्किंग और ऐसे मेंटोर टाइप कोई मिल जाए ना, लाइफ बहुत इज कंपैरेटिवली वे. या
Yes.
So
it's so much. You are so blessed if you have good people around you who are very helping.
Yeah.
So when I left my job, I never thought of being an entrepreneur. I left it because I wanted to learn mandala art. It's an art form. So I wanted to pursue with that, and basically I wanted to be an artist. I started learning about it, and there's a brand on Instagram called 4100, and the person is named Lizzie. So she was a very great inspiration for me. Basically, I used to like learn from her and her artwork, so that gave me inspiration. I started learning. I also did some artwork as well, but you have to be practical, I guess, in life at some point.
Yep.
So yeah, so I was doing good financially when I was in my job, but when I left it, so I was in my learning phase, and it kind of made me feel broke कि हाँ भाई थोड़ा financial चीज़ों का भी ध्यान रखना पड़ता है as compared to just learning.
Right.
Then I had a word with my dad, so I told him to guide me through, and I told my mother as well. So like, this is not going to work if this is going to happen कि हाँ भाई मैं because learning never stops.
Right.
So I had a mindset that I should have I should have been working, and I should have been learning simultaneously, but I didn't do that. In a hurry, I just left my job because I was so much excited to learn something new. I never thought of anything, and I just left my job. So my dad told me कि why not you just be open to thoughts. I mean, he told me कि don't stick to one thing. Just hit and try and explore new things. If you want, I wanted to sell that artwork online. So my dad told me कि हाँ भाई, you can also explore few things. Apart from not only artwork, try selling something else which you are interested in, and so you can mix and match your work. Like, you can mix and match your artwork with your real work.
Right. Right.
So I just kept researching and doing everything possibly I could. So I ended up thinking about कि हाँ भाई what I actually love. So तो उसको मैं मिक्स एंड मैच करके अपने करियर के साथ डिज़ाइन को भी ऐड कर लूँ थोड़ा, बिकॉज आई वॉज अ डिज़ाइनर। तो भाई मेरे को आई वॉन्टेड दैट कि मेरा लाइफ से ये पार्ट ना हटे। तो
Right.
तो मैं आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन इन लव विद कैंडल्स। मेरे डैड का ये सब बिजनेस है, तो आई ऑलवेज हैड फ्रेग्रेंस थिंग्स एट माई होम सिंस चाइल्डहुड। सो आई हैव ऑलवेज लव कैंडल्स। They inspire me a lot. So it's like if I'm reading something, I light up a candle. So if you're working, I light up a candle. So I mean, candles inspires me basically, and fragrances inspires me as well. So this was like कि हाँ भाई, if मैं इतना इंस्पायर हो रही हूँ इन चीज़ों से कि if you want to feel fresh or anything, so I used to light up a candle that is fragrance for lemongrass. So it's like you get freshness around you, and so there's this, they make an impact in your life, and you don't realize that actually. तो मतलब मुझे ये था कि हाँ भाई, अगर मेरे को ये इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है तो मे बी क्या पता मैं औरों को भी इस चीज़ में इन्वॉल्व कर पाऊँ, और हाँ उनको भी थोड़ा, आई मीन आई wanted to convey a message that how fragrances can actually change things around you, or how you change your behavior.
Right.
So that got me into a lot of this, and I just merged my designing and my what I love, and it's just that
So what?
things got clicked, and now here I am selling candles online.
Great. So what? So when you started this business, what was the first learning and the first mistake? Which I think mistakes and learning go hand in hand. So what was that first mistake and what was that first learning which you had?
Okay, so procrastination is what I know. I do a big mistake doing that.
Right. Procrastination is
I
a
wasted
big
a lot.
problem for everybody. Like हर किसी के लाइफ में थोड़ा बहुत तो होता ही है.
Exactly. I mean, if you love something, na, tab bhi if you're working from home, you are not at all that focused the way you should be.
Right.
I mean, I used to work too hard in my job. I used to endlessly work for like around 8 hours continuously. My eyes used to get red. And now when I should I should work double the time I used to work in my job. But when you work from home, you get very much casual environment, and so that's where the problem is for me.
Right.
I am still working on it.
So
And I guess people who are doing freelance, they all have the same problem as I do.
हाँ मतलब like everybody again, so for everyone there is a place जहाँ पे they feel comfortable in doing that. For some of them, like I've talked to a few जिसका they can work from home and they will be more productive than going to an office or a co-working space. And then there are people who don't like to work from home, जिसको नहीं होता productivity. So but yeah, the basic point is कि अपना figure कर लो कि what is that key element for you कि you'll be able to pull that off.
Exactly. Like when you are at job, you're working, you have a very strict schedule that I have to wake up at 7
Right.
and reach office by 9:30 anyhow. So, you get restricted.
Yeah.
So, I guess that's a good thing about working in a job. It helps you learn a lot to, stay like थोड़ा टाइम टेबल पर स्केड्यूल में रहने वाला सीन होता है काफी
Right.
ज्यादा. So it's a good thing, I guess.
Yeah,
It teaches you a lot.
it teaches you a lot. It gets you into a disciplined fashion of doing everything. Like you start
Yeah,
respecting
totally.
time more. So
Exactly.
yep.
But it's almost been 2 years I am working from home, and somehow it's like things change a lot when you work from home. No matter how much serious you are at your work, there will be some casualties that you will follow. कि हाँ भाई, You know very well.
Yeah, of course. पिछले 8 महीने से तो almost everybody is knowing that.
Yeah,
So,
pandemic has changed a lot.
yep.
I hope 2021 helps us getting rid of Corona.
I hope it doesn't say you deserve better to us.
Oh no, hope not.
Yep. So, coming back. So now, what stage do you think after you've been starting this, किस point तक you're feeling कि मतलब यहाँ तक पहुँच गए? What is that milestone which you have hit, and what is the milestone which you're planning to hit in X amount of time?
Okay, so when you are doing things on your own now, so it's you have to do everything on your own from scratch. So like you have to be a designer, you have to check on inventories,
Right.
you have to check on websites, you have to to check on social media. Like everything is under your control, and you are like you have to do every little bit things.
True.
So I know it's very hectic, but it gives you a lot of power to control things the way you actually want to. So it's like, yes, I have a very small team working with me right now, but my friends come up to me and they say, wow, your website looks very elegant and very clean, and your social media looks very professional. I mean, they are, I mean, I love I love them. They are very helpful to me, and I mean, when you get this much support from your friends, that's enough to get going.
Right.
So I mean, I will obviously share this video with you guys. So thank you so much for being a great support to me.
Do you want to shout out anyone?
Yeah, especially my friend Pooja. She has been a very major support, and my elder sister Kansha Sharma. Right. I love you guys. You are my sister, and thank you so much. I am here where I am because of you guys.
Right. So I was just about to hit this point. Ki what was your motivation behind getting on? And so I feel once you start, there is two types. Like you get a slight amount of motivation to get started, but then you need a lot more to keep going. So what was that?
Exactly. You need pushes from people to to get motivated and to just carry on with what you are doing, going
Right.
forward with it.
Right. So friends support was that motivation for you to keep going on.
Yes, friends are there to support me. And obviously, my mom and dad. I mean, they are angels. What can I say? They're
Right.
like, हाँ, if this is not working, अरे यार चलो कोई बात नहीं, चलो ये ऐसे कर लो तो मैं भी तो they are like always there कि हाँ भाई, जब मैंने graphic designing choose करना था तो they were there to help me. जब मैंने college choose करना था तो they were, I mean, I am like a go with the flow kind of a person, so they are always there to push me कि हाँ, this is better than this, so you should choose this. So luckily
Right.
everything got connected and things are working out for me.
Great. So so have you started selling, or are you in pre-production wala phase abhi?
No, I have started selling already. In September, I launched my brand. So I have been selling since then. I was selling on Instagram and Facebook first, while my team and I were working on the website. And in December only, we launched our website. So yes, now we are selling on that as well, and we are getting a good response. So fortunately, the things are working out for me. I'm very happy.
Great. So any customer feedback that was like कि मतलब जैसे देख के you were like कि इसी चीज के लिए तो मैंने start किया था ये पूरा business.
Okay, so I was already delayed for around a year because I was in a learning phase.
Mhm.
I wanted to, get hands on everything. कि मैं किसी को guide अगर कर रही हूँ तो at least I should have enough knowledge. So
Mm-hmm.
I took a gap of almost 1 year to learn a lot of things, like for marketing and designing as well, like product designing, which is helping me right now. So Um, yes. So I started in a hurry. I bought few candles from manufacturers. I started purchasing candles from her. So it is basically paraffin wax. To be true, I was in a hurry, so I purchased a lot of stock for that.
Mm-hmm.
So to just get it live, get things live. So then I realized my customers. I used to get messages like DMs like, why don't you add on eco-friendly candles to your website? I already had that in mind ki हाँ भाई, I have to switch my brand
Right.
to an eco-friendly brand. So
Right.
that motivated me, I guess कि I should be, थोड़ा बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस इन चीज़ों को भी देनी है कि कस्टमर्स क्या बोल रहे हैं, एंड I should get going with that as well. So
Right.
I got a response from them when I launched my Solvax candles. Ki wow, it's really good. So hearing from customers, I launched Solvax candles this month, and I got a really good response. And I got personal DMs as well from the customers. Ki हाँ भाई, it's so good to see that you have launched Solvax as well. I mean, they felt like they told me something, they told the brand something, and the brand came up with actually that thing they were expecting. So it was really good. I mean, I'm feeling like I have to switch to an eco-friendly product. So I'm going to. That's my next move for next year. Ki I have to switch my brand from chemical free and everything.
So currently you have some amount and you're shifting completely over there, or you're just अभी you have to just like अभी है ही बिल्कुल भी नहीं है eco-friendly items.
No. Abhi hai. We will be selling them until the stock gets out. But if we will be buying new products, they will surely be eco-friendly. That's what we are promising ourselves and our customers as well.
So if any of you guys are into fragrances and various scented candles, so you know where to go. I'll link their website and Instagram channels both in the description, or you'll find them somewhere in the video over here. So go check them out and बता देना कहाँ से आए हो, तो देख लेना मतलब बाकी. ठीक है. So some of our audience had given us these questions, so let's try taking those and see what are your thoughts upon it. One of these was being a graphic designer. How do you feel to work without deadlines and getting rid of clients asking you to make the logo bigger?
Okay. So I feel like there's no such term as without deadlines for a freelancer as well. Because,
Yeah. Right.
I know that you have a freedom to work, but that does not mean that you don't have a deadline. Or like, if somebody is expecting some work from you, obviously they will give you a particular amount of time to provide you, uh, for you to provide them amenities. So, like, there's no
Yeah.
such thing as no deadlines. And on talking about making the logo bigger, oh my god, don't get me started on that. So, I had some clients in the past when I was in a job. So, they were, you know, what clients do is like they focus on their logo. They always ask you to make the logo bigger as usual. You might have also experienced it.
Yep. Right.
So,
Right.
firstly, in the starting period, I tried to convince them and give them technical knowledge about like, no, it's not that कि हाँ हमेशा logo आपका flaunt होना चाहिए, because the people who are following you already know you and your brand, so you don't have to show it off every single
True.
time. And especially in the ads,
Right.
back then there was like a restriction of 20% of text overlay. There was an overlay tool in which ads were like you have to shoot 20% of text of the whole image. There should be 20% text. So
Right.
yeah.
Right.
So there has to be like everything, caption and CTA buttons and everything, and you have to cover everything up in 20%. Plus, the clients expect from you to show off their logo too much. So they don't understand
Right.
the design technicalities and knowledge behind how the designer is working. So that's my answer on that.
True. नहीं, so even like this is still fine कि make the logo bigger. I have also seen or heard clients कि इसमें ना feel नहीं आ रही. Now how do you define that feel नहीं आ रही? So this is still a much better place to be
हाँ
in.
भाई लोगों का साइज थोड़ा बड़ा कर दो to show off their brand name. That's it, I guess.
True.
Everything gets better when their logo is
Alright.
clearly seen.
Right. Alright, so second question which we have got is how do you generate new ideas for your stuff? Both your background and your current work needs creativity. So how do you go about it?
Okay. So when I was working as a graphic designer, I used to have, like you already you should get going according to the market. What's currently happening and what people are liking. So
Right.
we used to have
Right.
some sessions like every week or every month, you can say that, कि हम वहाँ पे थोड़ा ऐसे discussions करते थे about the design process, what's going on and what will make the brand better if हम इस चीज़ से इस चीज़ पे switch करेंगे. Like जैसे कि we used to make still images and stock. We used to work on stock images more. Then we saw that videos are more impactful as compared to the stock image. The results were better in that. So we did brainstorming on that, and that kept me better. And right now also I do this every month. I go through my competitors and there are a lot of people who I adore and get inspired from them. So I follow them, and on monthly basis, I do a brainstorm session with my self and my team, and to get going with what market wants, with what customers love.
Right. So, okay, so next one is how difficult was it to switch from making computer generated designs or artworks to actually designing stuff, physical stuff with your own, like physical candles and stuff?
Okay. So as I was in love since the beginning with candles, I have not been into like actually making them. I get inspired from some competitors, and I do some research work by myself. कि हाँ भाई this is looking good, and this can be added with something to make it a better product. So that keeps me get going. Ki haan, I mean that's how I end up launching a product, something new and something that's good design wise as well, and quality wise too.
Alright, so for the next one, I have a meme for you. Somebody shared this. I'll just forward this. Check this out and tell me what do you think about this.
Okay, this is somehow true. I must say. I actually
This happens with every designer.
In real life. Oh God. I had a client. I'm not going to tell its name, obviously, but
if this is you, then समझ जाओ.
Oh God. So मैं जहाँ पहले job कर रही थी. So we had a client over there, and they were very strict. Oh my God. I was almost killed by them. Design wise, I mean, there was too much of work. मैं literally I used to work till 8:30. मेरा timing था office का 10 to 7. I used to work for that particular design client for like around 8 to 8:30, making bad faces in front of my boss. Like, why are you making me do this? Oh God. And then coming back
Yeah.
home and then again opening up my PC and coordinating with my colleagues, and again continuing with the same client, working till 1 a.m. and everything. It was very much hectic. I have been through this meme. It's somehow real for designers.
Right. So that's yeah, more or less these were the questions, unique ones. If I get more, I'll be probably getting you or tagging you down below.
Sure.
Okay, so moving on. What are those top 2 or 3 accounts that you like to follow, which maybe or may not be your competitors?
Okay. So, as I'm trying to make my company a brand, so I'm obviously following some really nice brands that inspire me a lot, and
Mm-hmm.
they are kind of a Bible to me. So, one is the Maiva store. Uh, so, they have a very amazing brand line, and their products are really amazing. It's basically about sun-dried flowers and home decor and everything. So that's great, and I follow them for inspiration. And other is Ruhi candles. That's basically the brand says all natural, hand poured wax candles and everything. So that's also somehow my inspiration. To improve as a person, I follow a digital creator. Her name is Larissa D'Souza on Instagram. So she is really an inspiration to me, and I like looking forward to her for I get positive vibes and getting forward and everything. She helps me a lot indirectly. She doesn't know it, but thanks to her.
All right. So this has been a quite an interesting, entertaining, and insightful podcast. Thank you so much, Aditi, for taking out time to do this. And I hope you took out some insightful thoughts out of this. And if you did, like, share, comment, and if you're watching this on YouTube, do subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you're watching this, if you're listening to this on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, don't forget to follow and add a review down below.
Okay, thank you so much, Vinayak, for having me. We had such a great time, and it was so inspirational to talk to you as well. And thank you so much.
And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
बहुत टैंट्रम
हाँ?
करते वही लड़कियों के ले तू भी मेरे नेल पेंट का कलर चेंज कर दे.
काफी सही ये तो पक्का जा रहे हैं.
Okay. Shit. Wait.
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत
So इसके बाद रिएक्शन चाहिए
तेज नींद आई.
या ये डायलॉग नहीं बोलते ना तो ये चल जाता है.
नहीं.
नींद आ रही.
हाँ तो तू वॉइस काट दियो ना. यार ये मक्खी कितनी ज्यादा परेशान कर रही है. लिटरली ये ऐसे पूरे में मेरे को दिख रही है. हाँ. स्क्रीन पे बैठी है तो सही है. तेरे रूम में है ये अभी टेक्निकली. ओके. इतना मैंने 1 साल में नहीं बोला होगा जितना मुझे अभी बोलना पड़ रहा है. मैं मार दूंगी तुझे, मैं सही बता दूं.
तो वहां से मार के देख यहाँ तक आने में बीच में 2 स्क्रीन्स की दीवार लगेगी.
स्क्रीन आ जाएगी.
हाँ. और फिर उस पर जो तूने इतना भारी भरकम खर्चा किया है फिर करना पड़ेगा. क्यों ही मारेगी मेरे को. लेवरेज है मेरे पास. मेरे पास लेवरेज है यहाँ पे. छोड़ो ये.
बेटा जब तू सामने आएगा फिर बताऊंगी मैं तेरी लेवरेज.
ये वाला पन किसी को नहीं समझ आने वाला लेवरेज वाला. हाँ. सो
ओके.
यप.